Here we go, got Matt, and we're doing the garden hole down. Garden hole to rat's nest. We're just gonna put in, get that middle tongue out of here. Woohoo! Looks like there's multiple lines through here. So I have paddled this run once ever, and like 5-6 years ago. So it's one of these runs that I know is like class 2-ish, 3-ish. Has pretty wide open lines, as you can see. So I'm just kind of like floating down, reading and reacting to the lines as I see them. I think it's called Flannagan Dam. This has got to be the hardest rapid on the run right here. I kissed that rock. Oh, another one. You don't want to go under there. Yeah, there's Garden Hole right there. That was quick, wasn't it? If you don't take out at this next flat water spot, you're probably going to run the gorge or be hiking back up. You could run some more rapids and walk back up. Oh, that was totally worth it. Very gorged out, very scenic. I would say 2 class 3s. Wouldn't you say those 2? I would rate them class 3.
I would say therapeutic rock, not necessarily rapid.
Last rapid right there. We got to wrap it up there. I would say that's 1 full rapid. And then that's Garden Hole section, the start of the gorge right there.
Oh, that was nice. Get a little warm up. Class 2, 3 rapids. You can make them as hard as you want to or easy.
We're in longboats and we're 25 minutes. I bet you if you're in a half slice, you could walk up and run those rapids multiple times. There's tons of splats. I would take a full slice or half slice down that, flat forever. And then here's the start of the gorge, Takeout down here that you kind of have to make. If not, you're gonna run this rapid and then you're gonna have to hike back up, which you could probably run almost all the way to Towers and take out, like right above Towers and then walk back. I don't know why you'd want to. That seems brutal. This is the most flat water of the whole upper, in my opinion. So you wanna watch for flying kayaks right here. So that's the slide in for the gorge and there's the actual Takeout. So